Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today, I discuss customizing window for chapter number 3 for class 4. So many students, so many guardians call to me, sir, please provide question answer in chapter number 4. Chapter number 3 for class 4. My dear student, I have already time provided in question answer, but how many times I provided to the question answer? 2 and 3 times I provided the question answer, but this is the last time I provided the question answer because July 30, last week of July, your again online examination conduct in school. So my dear student, I provided the last time in question answer for chapter number 3. Customizing window customizing window 7, chapter 3, topic question answer. Today 6/7/20. This is the last time I provided the question answer. So my dear student, first of all I started question number D. What do you understand by graph GUI? What do you understand by GUI? First of all, what is the full form of the GUI? GUI means graphical user interface. GUI means graphical user interface. I have already discussed in every point. You watch the video. Every point understandable because I am used this sentence very simple. So many students not watch the video. Your lost time. I again, what is the graphical user interface? GUI means graphical user interface. It is a user interface that includes graphical element such as window, icons and buttons. This is the graphical user interface. What do you understand by graphical GUI? My dear student, if anybody said that what is the GUI? The GUI means the graphical user interface. Yeah, GUI stands for graphical user interface. It is a user interface that includes the graphical element such as window, icons and buttons. D का first question. Second question. Name the graphical component of Windows 7. Name the graphical components of Windows 7. Name the graphical components of Windows 7. There are so many such type of the graphical component of Windows 7, but first, desktop. Second, my computer. Third, recycle bin. Fourth, etc. Because no any such type of harmony such type of graphical. There are three main points. Name the graphical component of Windows 7. My third question: what is the usage of shortcut? My third question: what is the usage of shortcut? You just like to the revision classes, because I am not revived to the again in this question answer. This is the fourth time I am reviving. So, what is the usage of shortcut? Shortcut key combines the control or alt key with some other key in window environment. Etc. My dear student, some of the examples of the shortcut key: Control plus C equal to copy, Control plus V equal to paste, Control plus B equal to bold. There are so many shortcut key, but this question is related what is the usage of the shortcut key. So shortcut key combine the control or alt key with some other key in the window environment. Or this is the last point in this related to the question number C. Shortcut key combination that causes a specific command to be executed. This is the shortcut key. What is the use of shortcut key? Shortcut key combine the control or alt key with some other key in window environment, and shortcut key combination that causes a specific command to be executed. some of the command. And my last topic and my last question number D. How to set the paint image at desktop background? How do you set the paint image as a desktop background? How do you set the paint image as a desktop background? My dear student, how do you set the paint image as a desktop background? This is the answer. First of all, you click the paint button. First, click to the paint button. Second, select set as a desktop background. Select set as a desktop background. And third option, choose the option fill center as needed. And my last, the current drawing will appear. So my dear student, this is the 4th point you set to the desktop background. First of all, you go to the paint button. Second, select the desktop background. Third, choose the option fill, which type of option you choose, and you just choose the option fill and then click to the OK. The current drawing will appear. So I already discussed a question answer for class 4. So every student must watch the video, and nobody can watch the video they have not understand. You have always time blame with teacher and always time blame with schools. So I hope every student watch the video. Thank you so much.